So you guys may know me as Connor_Flair Plays Killer. And I am going to be watching this video. And yes, he does have a description thing to go. Sorry guys. Yes. So yeah. We are going to be watching this video about this.
Hello guys.
See? That's me. And that is his laugh. So we're gonna shut this before she sees. So yeah, and now we know we're not gonna watch this because it's weird. But we are going to be showing you guys how to do a video. And we watch the video. We're gonna be pressing this, it says loading, and recorder will appear in a second. And that's how I'm recording. And then, alright, so I'm gonna get comfy. My new outfit. I'm living there now because I'm replacing Connor. And something is in my hair. It's disgusting. So yeah.
The killer can never kill the Connor boys. Connor Place cannot be defeated by a killer.